If you think your balcony is too small to actually look cute and cozy for the summer, this video might change your mind. Today I'm sharing 5 easy ways to turn even the tiniest balcony into a cozy little summer oasis. Whether you want a space to relax, drink your morning coffee, read a book, host friends, or just romanticize your life a little bit. Small balconies are so underrated, but with a few simple things, they can honestly become one of the coziest spaces in your home. I know this space is one of my favorite hangout spots during the summer. First things first is an outdoor area rug. A rug can completely change a space and make it feel more cozy like an outdoor living room. Just make sure it's weather resistant. One helpful tip is to make sure you pick the right size rug. I personally love when the rug sits under at least the front legs of the furniture to help anchor everything together. And if you have a narrow balcony, runners work really well too. Next is adding some kind of seating area. I chose a 3-piece set because it's the most versatile. I can lounge, but also eat, have my morning coffee, or even do a bit of work out here. The nice thing is there are so many options now for small spaces. You can do a little bistro set with 2 chairs and a table, a love seat or bench setup, or 2 accent chairs, or even just one really cozy statement chair depending on the size of your balcony. Next up are outdoor safe throws and cushions. This is what really makes a balcony feel more cozy. I also love adding a throw blanket because even in the summer, condo balconies can get chilly in the evenings. This is your chance to have fun with color, texture, or patterns to bring more of your personality into the space. The biggest game changer is lighting. Lighting can completely change the mood of your balcony at night. String lights are a must-have because they make the whole space feel more warm, relaxing, and magical in the evenings. I definitely recommend getting plastic shatterproof bulbs instead of glass ones, especially for high-rise balconies because they're lightweight and safer for high winds. I hung mine using outdoor command hooks. And one tip that helps a lot is to map out your lights first before hanging them so you can evenly space out the bulbs. You can also use lanterns or candles to make the space feel even more moody at night. And for all my fellow high-rise condo friends, I suggest battery-operated candles. They're safer, easier, and you'll still get that cozy glow without worrying about the wind. Now your balcony becomes somewhere you actually want to spend time both day and night. Last but not least, greenery and plants. Plants make such a huge difference because they bring life into the space. Even adding just a few plants can make your balcony feel way more relaxing and peaceful. And if you don't exactly have a green thumb, especially with how windy condo balconies can get, honestly, faux plants work too. No judgment here, because even faux greenery can completely change the vibe and make the space feel way more cozy and styled. You can also use greenery to make the space feel a little more private, especially in condo buildings where balconies can sometimes feel exposed. I think the greenery makes a balcony feel like a little summer escape. And there you have it. Those are my 5 easy ways to style your balcony and get it summer ready. And if you want even more inspiration for your balcony, one of my favorite things to do is turn mine into a little outdoor movie night setup. I put up a projector screen, bring out the projector, and move the furniture around to create the perfect movie night setup. It honestly makes summer nights at home feel so much more fun and special, and I just love hanging out here. This is your sign to make the most out of your balcony and romanticize it this summer.